In this video, we will explore a feature that is new to InDesign CS6 called alternate layouts. The ability to create alternate layouts of a document is one of the most anticipated features of InDesign CS6. With an increase in the number of digital documents being published for mobile devices, Adobe has made it easier for users to create an alternate layout of their documents to accommodate these technologies. So let's say that although this booklet we've created for Sandy's Daycare Center is meant to be printed, we're also going to post it on our website as well. This means that potential customers could be looking at it on their iPad, phones, or other mobile devices. So right now the document exists in a portrait layout, but we'd like to make sure that we have it in landscape layout as well in the event the person using an iPad or other mobile device turns the screen. Previous versions of InDesign have required us to copy this document, make our changes, and then save them in an entirely separate file. Now we have the ability to create this alternate layout and embed it within a single document. To get started, I'm going to right-click on Page 1 within the Pages panel. From the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Create Alternate Layout. Within the Create Alternate Layout dialog box, we're going to change a couple of the settings. First, we have to give this alternate layout a unique name. I'm going to name this layout Landscape. Notice in the Sources Pages field, the text letter V is displayed, which is the name of our current layout. If we'd like to make an alternate layout of all pages in the document, we would not want to change this text. However, in this example, we're just going to create an alternate layout for page 1. So I'm going to put a colon and the number 1 after letter V. At this time, we could choose to change the width and height of the page as well. Finally, notice that the orientation is automatically set to landscape, which is a good thing because that's what we want to change. If we didn't want to change the orientation, we could click on the portrait button and change it if we wanted. Notice we have additional options under the options heading below. However, we're going to wait until a future video in this chapter to discuss these options. When finished, click the OK button. If you take a look now at the Pages panel, notice that an additional copy of page 1 is displayed to the right of our original document. I'm going to double-click on this page, and notice our workspace is displaying our brochure cover with the exact same objects as before, but this time the page is in landscape. At this point, you could probably guess that it would be a good idea to shift the objects on the page so that they fit on a landscape page. This concludes our tutorial on creating an alternate layout. Remember, with the increase in digital documents being created by InDesign CS6 users, the ability to create an alternate layout for your document and embed it within this single file is a great new feature, so be sure to take advantage of it when possible.